What is going on, you guys? Like I said, 1999 on YouTube. Well, I got another one done today. Well, there is a tournament going on. Um, I hope I can try to do distributing or I'll come. Sorry for loss of words. Contributing on this one on both profiles, mostly because I've been doing both. Sorry if I'm a little bit tired and all that. Just long day and all, but as soon as we get this one, I want to see what progress we make this time. Alright. Wow. You gotta be kidding me. Ah. So now she wants steel. Lovely. Looks like I got myself double screwed. Well, I kind of hope you enjoyed this episode. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll hit the notification bell. We'll see you all in the next one.